turn the crib into a club.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today I am excited, like not excited, I'm very excited for today's video because this is my favorite thing. I love jewelries, guys. I recently bought few jewelry pieces from different places like Instagram and also on few websites and Meesho. Yes, so I thought of sharing it with you all. So before I talk too many things, let's just get started with today's video. So the first piece I'm going to show you is this earring. This is a beautiful, gorgeous, handmade earring. I picked up this one from the brand DHARANI. They have this Instagram store. I picked up two of their famous earrings, and you know they have this collection called Madhubani collection. So the next piece which I picked up from the same store is this one. These are beautiful, like these are gorgeous earrings and they are very much in trend. So the next piece which I picked up are from Jewellery, and they have this beautiful store and they have like all dainty pieces. So I picked up this one. These are gorgeous earrings, and you have already seen me wearing this. By now you already know that I'm a K-drama addict and I really love these earrings. So this is one of the earring, and this retail for 140 rupees. And the other one which I picked up, it's already tangled. I am so sorry. Let me just untangle it. And a dainty piece, and it is inspired by K-drama. Received this brand KUSHAL, and they have recently launched their store in Kamalhalli, and there is another place in Bangalore, Kattaguppe, if you're familiar with this places. So they have launched this store and they have sent me these earrings. These are beautiful earring. This is how it looks. You have already seen me wearing on my Instagram, and these retail for 1100 rupees. Yes, it is expensive, but it also comes with a guarantee of the stones and color. So these are these jhumkis which I picked up from the Instagram store. I will have all the link in the description box for you all. These are beautiful peach color earring, guys. You can see. And from the same store I picked up this complete set for my daughter just for some function and all. So Mangtika, and also from the same store I got these earrings. These are also beautiful kundan earrings. Let me just open it for you all. These are very pretty kundan earrings, guys. Oh my god, I love this. Can't wait to try them on. They are very pretty, and this is how it looks. Then moving on, I recently shopped a few jewelries from Meesho. So I bought these jewelries during the time of my sister's wedding. However, I couldn't attend the wedding because of this pandemic. Hence, all the jewelries were just lying, and I thought, you know, just to share it with you all, you can also shop from Meesho. So I picked up this choker set. It is beautiful, guys. I love how pretty it looks, and it also comes with these small earrings. Yeah, next I picked up this jewelry set. It is beautiful. The quality for the price you pay, I just don't have any words, guys. This is how this choker looks like. Oh my god, I love this choker. And also for my sister healthy function, I also ended up buying these, you know, flower jewelry. These are the flower jewelries, but yeah, sadly I didn't go for the wedding. So I thought I'll share it with you all. So this is beautiful. This retail, I remember the price of this set. This retail for 140 rupees. These are all handmade, guys, and it also comes with this Mangtika. Yeah, how pretty it looks. Oh my god, I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, do let me know which is your favorite piece, and also let me know if you want to see more of Meesho haul. With that said, guys, I shall see you guys in my next video. And yeah, before we go, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell button so that you get notified for my future videos. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.